Looking to save on trading fees and unlock exclusive bonuses with OKX? Use the best OKX referral code HH368 and start your journey with real value today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of OKX by using the referral code HH368. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this code will give you a 10% discount on trading fees and access to a mystery box worth up to $10,000. First, click the link in the description or the pinned comment below. This will take you directly to the OKX sign-up page. Once there, select your country and agree to the terms. Make sure to enter the referral code HH368 in the designated field to ensure you get your discount and bonuses. If for any reason the code isn't automatically applied, simply copy and paste HH368 manually. After you've signed up, download the OKX app to claim your mystery box. Complete a few simple tasks within the app, and you could be on your way to some amazing rewards. With the referral code HH368, you're not just saving on fees, you're also getting exclusive access to valuable bonuses that aren't available with other codes. This is the best way to maximize your experience on OKX, whether you're trading spot, exploring different markets, or just starting out. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below, use the referral code HH368, and start trading smarter today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to save and earn with OKX. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on getting the best out of your trading experience. See you in the next video.